In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to clean and protect this outdoor cushion with TEXGARD cleaner and protector. This cleaner is made for acrylic, polyester, and blended fabrics such as Sailrite and Outdura. You will need the TEXGARD cleaner, water, a soft bristle brush or a sponge, and the TEXGARD outdoor fabric protector if you want to restore the water resistancy to the fabric you're cleaning. This is an outdoor seat cushion, so I definitely want to do that. I went outside and got started. To start off, wet the areas you want to clean. I'm cleaning the whole cushion, so I'll use a hose to speed things up. It's recommended to wear rubber gloves and eye protection before spraying the cleaner. I sprayed the cleaner across the entire surface, but did a few extra sprays on some of the heavily stained areas. This cushion has a light colored fabric and several different types of stains, so it's really going to put this cleaner to the test. It's important to let the cleaner soak into the fabric, so give it anywhere from 3 to 15 minutes to take effect, depending on the extent of the stain. I recommend the full 15 minutes for heavy stains like this cushion has. After waiting, I used a soft bristle brush to gently agitate the fabric and work loose the dirt and stains. It's important to use a soft bristle brush because you don't want to be too abrasive with solution dyed acrylic fabrics. As I scrubbed, you can start to see the stains lifting, but depending on the type or the extent of the staining, you may need to repeat this process. Once you're done scrubbing, rinse them off again and let them air dry thoroughly before applying the TEXGARD fabric protector. I made a mistake here because I didn't wipe down or squeeze out any additional water, so it dried over the weekend and left these water stains because there was just so much water left in it. So I cleaned it one more time to take care of those new water stains and made sure to remove as much water as possible by compressing the cushion and wiping down the fabric with a towel once I was done. This time it dried properly and just about every stain was completely removed except for this one dark black stain, but I'll just use that side as the bottom of the cushion. Now that it's clean and completely dry, I want to use the TEXGARD protector to restore its water repellency. I put my gloves and glasses back on and shook the bottle well and started spraying about 8 to 12 inches from the cushion. Make sure to spray until the treated area is soaked completely. I'm treating the entire cushion since this is flippable. It's been 24 hours, so the cushion is ready to be used. But let's test it out to see how it resists water and how easily it cleans up. It's recommended to use this protector on clean fabrics once a year. For horizontal surfaces or surfaces with high outdoor exposure, it's probably best to treat it twice a year. So keep your outdoor fabrics looking their best and extend their lifespan with TEXGARD fabric cleaner and protector. Now available at Sailrite.com.